Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. I have not been on to do a video like this, I think, for a couple weeks now. I've been so super busy and I really apologize. But I did work this morning and then I ran over to Dollar General because I needed some paper towels. So I just threw a 5 off of 25 together in my head on the way over here. And everything seemed to scan just fine. So I'm going to show you what I got. I got these Sparkle 3 equals 6 rolls. And these are $4.50 and we have a $1 digital. This whole deal is all digital. I got the Gain Moonlight Breeze 60 dryer sheets. These are $2.95 this week. I think they're normally $3. And we have a $2 digital for these. Then I got the Gain Flings 14 count. These are $3.95 and I used my $2 digital on these. Then I got some Tide Pods. These are, let's see, the 12 pack. These are the 4-in-1 Downy. These are $4.95 and I had a $2 digital for these. Then I got the Tide Simply Pods. These are $2.95 and I used my $2 digital. I can use really any laundry soap at my house. It doesn't matter. Nobody breaks out. I do get a few people that say, can you do deals without Gain in them because I'm allergic? I try to, but a lot of people like Gain, so sometimes I have to go with the popular majority, kind of rules. Then I got the Aleve Back and Muscle because I eat this every day because my back is shot. This is, I believe, $4.50 or $4.25. 1 second. $4.25, and we have a $3 digital. And then the last thing I got was these 2 Kleenex packs. These are up by the register. Like if you're standing at the register at my store and you turn around, there's a bunch of stuff. These are hanging there. They're $1 a piece, and that $2 off of 2 Cottonelle actually works on these, so it makes them free. And, of course, I used my 5 off of 25, and my total before tax was $6.55, which is a total savings of $19. Yes, I know it wasn't super, super low, but $6.55 for all that, I will take any day of the week. Now, if you're getting inserts this week in your paper, most people get them tomorrow in their Sunday paper. The Smart Source, I got one of those. And I got a Retail Me Not. The Retail Me Not, if you don't get this in your area, really, you're not missing too much. Most of it is a Family Dollar flyer, and then you just got like 2 pages. I know some areas don't get Retail Me Nots, though. Now, another thing. I just got a Walgreens in my area, so I'm so super excited. I have never couponed at Walgreens. I live in a really rural area where we don't have many stores. Like, some people live in areas where their Dollar General is like, there's one on every street corner, it seems like. Our Dollar Generals are like 30 miles apart, and there's 2, and they're in one opposite direction than the other. So I'm very excited to get a Walgreens. If you guys are interested in couponing at Walgreens, let me know. I definitely want to look up their coupon policy. I see a lot of people get great deals there, so I'm really excited. I'm going to try to start incorporating some Walgreens video if you guys want that, because I'm going to coupon there. All right, everyone. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll be putting a Deals of the Week video together probably Sunday or Monday, and I'll talk to y'all later. Have a good one.